Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable wake screen for notification in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Then go to your account, press on settings. Then go to notifications. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of wake screen. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable wake screen for notification in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.